Hello and welcome to a quick update about Fantom. Fantom was requested by some of you guys, and we had a double top here on the 28th of October. Obviously from the double top we did manage to get a new high done. Always an indicator that if you see a double top, we can't get through it, and then you maybe break an important fib level, that might be an indicator that we come down once more. Overall, I'm still bullish on Fantom. I mean, this is just again a pullback. We were way overbought. I remember me saying in one of the previous videos that there will be a retracement coming at some point, but that is just that's just normal, and that's just normal across the board. We are in a bull run at the moment. We are going into alt season. A lot of these high potential projects still haven't seen their top yet, and in my view, it's oftentimes just worth holding instead of just buying and selling. No financial advice, but it's sometimes so hard to get the top, sell down, sell up here, buy down here, and for many people it's just too hard. And it's oftentimes that you're probably better off to just hold, but again, that's just my view, and just no financial advice. Yes, of course, for some people who can time it right, they make more profit here, but it's time consuming as well. Anyway, we all the way came up to nearly 350, and a huge move. You knew that there was this this summit going on as well. Now, obviously, after that overheated market, we had to have a sell-off. We are now coming down to the golden pocket, the 250 level, 251, exactly the golden pocket. Again, nothing to worry about. Yes, we came below that trend line here, which is a bit disappointing, so I'm going to take that out. But in the end, it doesn't matter. We found support also at the 20-day moving average, which is then, yeah, providing basically here additional support. You can see that pretty much exactly here. That's the 20-day moving average, touching the price, giving it support. So maybe that will now be the support that we need to continue our way up. However, what could be the case, what did I do here? Could be that we even come down, and I don't think that is very likely, but it is a possibility, come down to that trend line once more at around, if that happened today, that would be the $2 level roughly, yeah? That would be nearly 100% retracement. Now, I don't see that coming. Could be a bit of a sideways move, but at some point we will probably touch that trend line again. But at the moment, I think it's a bit unlikely. But yeah, that trend line, these pullbacks have happened in the past, and then when we pulled back, we had quite a long period of sideways move. Yeah, but yeah, since the 6th of October, we've really moved away from that trend line, because also the 20-day moving average has given us really good support. So yeah, just touching the golden pocket. If we drop from here, even then we could come and find support at 225, which is the 0.786 fib level. So enough about fib levels. Let's take a look at some indicators. At the moment, only sideways move here, so we don't really see a lot on the 4-hour chart. It just tells us that we're moving sideways, basically, at least in the green range on the MACD. On the RSI, we are moving slightly up into the bullish range. So we have a bullish divergence here, even though it is not very clear to see. It's a weak one, but we have slightly lower highs on the price, and we have higher highs on the RSI, indicating that we could see, together with the MACD supporting us, maybe another move here to the upside. And on the 1-hour chart, it's also moving up a little bit on the RSI, but importantly on the daily, that's obviously very important. What we can see, the MACD is still not really slowing down, so I would need to wait for confirmation for that. Until that is the case, I would say, yeah, maybe we drop below the 20-day moving average. Yeah, we could drop below the 20-day moving average. Maybe find support at this other fib level that I told you. Was it just 225 or something? So at the 0.786 fib level, and we can't see it slow down at the moment. Yeah, so that indicates a little bit of a further price drop. Also on the RSI, however, that's important. We can see actually that we have that we came out of the overbought range, very importantly on the daily, and that sets us up for further price increases. So important to watch that 20-day moving average there. If we drop below the 20-day, I think we can get to the here, that first of all, that previous low, and I think that aligns very well with that 0.786 fib level at 225. So roughly here in that range, somewhere here, before we then hopefully find support there. The MACD turns around, loses selling pressure. But as I said, on the 4-hour, we already see a bullish divergence forming. So it is going to turn around at some point very soon. I wouldn't worry about it. I personally don't worry about it. I own Fantom as well. I think we will see much higher prices this year, and also in the alt season, which might, go into January actually. So yeah, just a quick update really to give you an orientation of where we are. Hopefully you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.